So now guys, moving towards the charts. So I was explaining the data. Sorry, the mic actually was turned off. So I was telling you guys that there is an employment change data, unemployment change data, average hourly earning on non-farm payroll data, that is known as NFP, one of the most prominent and important data that would be coming out. So these are the certainly data that we are looking at. There is like a big change that we could expect. So this is the general idea. So heading back to the charts, guys, we would be looking at the charts so we can understand that what could be the analysis. There isn't much change from the previous live, but there are certain changes that we have encountered right now. So I would be showing you that. So I would be just following a quick discussion so that I can get a better understanding that uh, what are the plans, and you can also interpret your own plans based on my ideas right here. So guys, this is the dollar index. We are discussing DXY. You have to keep your eyes specifically on these symbols because I would be moving quicker. And we can see that there was a break right here that happened for this point, and there was a pullback, and there was a continuation further like that, and price went back up. There was a continuation, and price formed this structure. So currently, guys, the idea is that the price is forming this M-type structure right here. Price couldn't break this level, and price significantly came back down. So right now, the price couldn't break this zone. That is one of the most important zone right now. So what could be the next move? It could be either like this and price can break down really quickly, but on the other hand, with the NFP data, we can expect a move like that too and retest this level, creating a triple top right here. So currently the structure which we are looking at is like it is quite prominent that the price is breaking on the downside. The market structure is telling us that the price is pushing on the downside, so anything like that can also be a good option which we can expect right now. So this was DXY, although DXY is the index pair for the major USD pairs, so it has like a high impact on the currency market because it is actual dollar movement. So further moving towards the NZD USD, that is New Zealand dollar, it's right here. What we are looking at, we just got the price went back up and it's in continuation right here, and this swing and this swing, it's aligning right now like that. So it seems like although the NZD has given us a great move with the high momentum right here and price is pushed down, so till the morning 8:30 a.m. the price can be expected to be pushed on the downside, and although there is a likelihood that price can uh, move up and form this structure again, something like that, but uh, it seems more on the bearish side right now, and it is forming a channel like that. So moving further towards the next pair, this is Australian dollar. If we see that the price is actually ranging right here, and this is a support that was formed, the price broke out of this level and price went back up there, down there, and now price is retesting this level like that. So there is a chance that the price can form a double bottom right here, and then we can expect a new move. So in that regard, guys, I would be placing my alert right here because it could be a good potential setup for the further movement. And right now, I can't interpret that what could be the further movement, but based on the idea that price can be pushed on the downside. On the other hand, it's NFP, so it is all data relevant. So in that regard, um, price can go further down based on the based on the idea that the price is continuously in the sell structure right now. You see that the price was breaking around here, price came back, retested that level, pushed back down, broke this structure, pushed back up, and price is on the continuous move on the downside. So any kind of pullback, it can be a good potential for us. So it's not important that we take a NFP move, we can take a continuation move, because NFP move would be either like this straight up or straight down, but we always have to wait for the pullback, guys, because without taking a pullback or taking a move right here, there would be a slippage that can be affected. There could be the spreads that can increase, and it could be a so sudden move in your opposite direction that it can really harm up the account. So it's better to lose slowly rather than losing abruptly, because the idea is that as you lose really quick, there is a chance of a revenge trading as well. So moving further, what we can see is this is the trade that I'm in right now. Quite not sure about it, but based on the idea that the price has been in a downtrend from this level, and price is continuously pushing downside, price pull back, and price is pushing on the downside. After that, there was a break that happened around this point, and price went up, price continuously going up, but on this level the price started breaking on the downside, and as the price broke on the downside, we can observe that there were like certain candles right here that we could have expected that they could go down, but price started going on the upper side following this small channel right here. But as the price has reached here and it formed a double top right here, and even based on this structure right here, uh, price can give us a small move like that, and even price can push on the upper side. So it is kind of like a point where I would be locking some of my profits. That's why I've marked this level. On the other hand, the price can go up like that too and stop us out in this trade. But right now, it seems to be running perfectly, and it's the idea that we have to respect the probabilities right now. So on the other hand, we can expect the price to go up and then dump down on NFP. This could also be another solution that I can currently think of. So staying in the direction, it really shows that it could be bearish. Similarly, guys, although euro couldn't claim this double top right here, because although the price has like went up, but it's like a small gap in between that, and that price can push back up again and then can dump down on NFP. So these are the certain kind of scenarios which I am looking at. This is Euro GBP, and Euro GBP is forming a cell structure right here, which we are observing, and price went back up again. There was a rejection, price couldn't form a proper double bottom right here, but price has formed a local structure that is a support level, and price is pushing on the upper side. Although the price broke out of this level right here, so price is retesting this level and can even go up there, and then we can next observe that where the price can go, because this is our center of attention right now. And further moving, euro odd has given us a wonderful trade today, in a sense that although the price has started forming a trend that is a bullish trend structure, and as we can see that the price, when price went up, price came back down, price went up, it is around about like 312 fib level, and then price again went back down, pulled back, price broke this level. This is really important, and as the price broke this level to level, the price is now pushing up. So there is a high likelihood that the price would be pushed on the upper side. So this euro AUD is kind of like forming a full bullish structure, and it can give us a good trade till tomorrow, based on the idea that if the prices are moved further up and can go to that level. So this is the general clue right now which I'm looking at. Similarly, euro odd, The structure in in pound odd. This is pound odd, pound Aussie. So guys, this was our major uh, s- resistance right here. But as the price went into this resistance, there was a pullback, and then the price has continued on the upper side, although the structure isn't that clear. But based on this, the price came back down, and based on this small structure, price came back down and price is pushing up. So there's a highly likelihood that the price can go and reach to this level. So I feel that this level could be an important zone for us. So I would be highlighting, because there's a highly likelihood that price would reach to that level till I wake up in the morning. So this is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, sorry, this is Aussie and NZD, that is AUD NZD. And what we can see, that here we had like a bullish trend right here, but on the other hand, the price came back abruptly downside, although this was an important level, but price broke that level, and price is now forming a channel that is getting exhausted right here. So, a channel seems like uh, the price is making lower lows and lower lows continuously, and channel actually represents that the big players in the market are actually loading off their positions, and they're getting out of the positions. So it seems like this trend that was a bearish trend is now being over, and we can expect some kind of reaction, something like that. And if this type of reaction happens, so in that case, this could be our first profit, and this could be our full max profit. And thinking about that level, it can go further up, but right now, looking at range to range, I believe that price can reach to this level further. But on the other hand, if we see that what's in the bottom, it's like that. But right now we would be focusing on these levels because of the lows that were accumulated. So in any case, if the price breaks this level, price move up, pull back, we can expect a good move till that level. So this is what I personally believe right now. And Euro NZD has given us a better move. See how this level has reacted. Price came back down and price pushed back up on the upper side. So currently the idea is that this is an order block right here. We can see, sorry, this is a supply zone right here. Price rejected around here, then price worked, and price again went back into it. So there was a highly expectation that the price can give us a move like that and started forming a sell structure to complete this range if the price stays in this range. But right now the scenario seems to be a bit different, that there is a high likelihood that price can break above and move further up till that level. So this could be the idea right now. Moving further, this is pound NZD. Pound NZD, the structure isn't that clear, but with this candle right here, we can see that there was a big momentum right here, and price again pushed back, price came back down, and price is now pushing on the upper side, although the structure is much clearer in the euro NZD rather than pound NZD. So we have to wait that how the price react and form a double top around this level. And if the price forms a double top, then and only then we can expect a move on the further side. But to see that there could be a bearish move, I currently don't believe like that, because price is going on the upper side, because NFP could be on any direction, guys. This is what I'm repeating. NFP could be any direction, because it's like a data that is a data that has been that is a news. But the pullback thing, we can really like take that. So I would be waiting for the pullback tomorrow. And uh, I'm not sure that I would be live streaming or not, but still, I would be in the market based for my own trades. So, moving next, we have USD CAD. USD CAD is in a super bullish format, as we can see right here. So this was the important level that price pushed up. Then there was a pullback around here. Price has now been in a range, right, like that. So the next position for the price uh, could be on in any direction, but if this range forms and if price breaks out of this, so we can expect a move till that level. So this was a important break that happened here, so it's unmitigated right now, it's untouched. So anything right here can give us a small pullback and the price can continue on the upper side based on the idea that this was this was an impulsive move and this is a corrective move that happened, and now price is in the range. Anything that breaks on the upper side pull back and can give a push on the upper side. So moving further, AUD CAD is now we have like a CAD series that has begun. So um, this was basically a range that is a tight range right here. Price broke out of this range, worked price worked right here on these lows, and price pushed back up, and price is now coming back down. So right now what we are looking at is that price went up, price got rejected right here. So in any case, the price can form the cell structures like that and pushing the price on the downside. So based on the idea, guys, like this point has been mitigated right now. So what I would be doing is that I would be more interested in putting my alerts down there rather than on the top right now because price has touched already. So further moving, this is EuroCAD. EuroCAD, guys, is like giving an amazing structure, guys. I would be putting my eyes on EuroCAD as well tomorrow. So there was a break right here. Price similarly pulled back up there around 80 to 90%. Price came back up. Now the price is specifically in the range format and price is ranging right here. And I have placed my alert right here. And I was expecting the price to form a double top right here, and similarly price has formed a double top. So in that regard, if the price is stays in this cell structure like that, so there could be a move on the downside. But based on that, we can see that the price has came back down and price has pushed up, so there is a kind of a break of this channel that has happened. So in that regard, let me explain you like that. So if we see that the price is coming back like that, so now price broke up, broke out and like push back and can give us a move on the upper side. So what the things are that I would be waiting that the price can reach to that level, and then and only then we can get some kind of move on the upper side if the price stays bullish and price can take these levels then. So right now the price has stopped moving on the upper side and momentum in the market is really low right now. So because the game gonna start actually at 8:30 this morning. So let's move further quickly. This is pound CAD. Although pound CAD has this was the pound CAD's level that the price should have pushed the price down, but because of this order block right here, now it's converted into supply zone. Sorry, demand zone. So price has been like pushing on the upper side. So this was an actual level that price should have respected, but price came back down and price is now pushing on the upper side. So what I have done is that I have marked this level right here because I want to see in the morning that how the price reacts to this level. Although we have like a small order block right here as well, where which we can see the reactions that has happened right here. So any pullback right here could give us a good move on the upper side. So we need to wait for this level so that the price can come back, and then we can expect a move on the upper side like that, forming a small channel as well as here and price breaking on the upper side. So this is a simple analysis of the pound CAD. Now NZD CAD is giving us a good move. There is a good reaction right here rather than all the other pairs of like pound cad or euro cad. And NZD cad is giving us a better price action, you can see that. So price came actually back to this level and price bounced off this level, and now price is coming back around this level. So in that regard, what we can do is we can actually mark this level right here, because there is a uh, significant reaction around that level. So the price can be after like price came back down, price pushed back up, and now there's a highly likelihood that the price would be coming and forming this low right here. So in any case, what really happened that if the price continues going downside, there would be a pullback and we can continue. So there could be a better options in NZD as well. So based on that idea, I would be placing an alert right here. And the idea is that alert would be placed on the low of this candle, that is 967, 81967. So let's place it here so that if there's a move, we can monitor it tomorrow. Euro USD CHF is important and major pair. There was a break right here, and the price came back down exactly to the support, and price gave one push, two push, and third push was failure, and price break up on forming this level. Then price came back down, but it couldn't like continue the move on the upper side. Instead, it started going down, and there was also a break right here. So right now the price has broken the structure and giving us a small pullback. So guys, you need to remember that this USD CHF is really dependent on the data that would be announced on 8:30 tomorrow. So if the dollar pushes up, so it can give us a significant move till that point, forming a double top, and only then we can see that if there's some kind of pullback around here, so that it can give us a bullish move like that. But right now, if price holds this level and go up like that, and then there would be a significant move on the downside as well. So what we need to do is, as a trader, is we need to be prepared on the both sides. Now we have like Australian AUD CHF, and AUD CHF is it's kind of like breaking these lows right here. And if these lows are being broken right here, price is going back down, there could be a push, or and price can continue on the downside, because you can see that each time the supports are formed that are being broken, supports are being broken right here. So there is it was a small channel and price continued on the downside. So nothing new, but there's a lot to be aware of right now. So Euro CHF is I would be waiting for Euro CHF that it should form a structure right here. Although this is like a consolidated move right here, so any break right here, and then if the price breaks, so we can continue on the downside. So moving further, GBP CHF. Price has formed this resistance right here, and this is a support, and this is a bottom. Although I was expecting the price to give us a downside move. Based on that, you can see that there's a channel right here. Price has been significantly trending on the downside, but as the price has broke this level, price came back down right here, and now price is pushing up. So let me explain you like what's the kind of a structure which we are looking at. Is that there is a significant break that happened, and as the significant break happened, price came back down, price is pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, and then there was a dump. So right now what we are looking at is that if the price came back down there, so if it continues, it can go down. So let's see that how price reacts, or there could be a significant pin bar right here and price can go on the upper side. So there is a waiting that has to be done in this. But what we can see that this was an amazing move that price gave, although I was on the sell side from right here, but uh, price was like going out of these levels for me, and that created a I kind of like got out of the position. And the DCHF is like totally in a cell format. So NZDs are actually like selling. They're in a cell structures right now. So we can see that there was a good order block that is right here. So any kind of like significant move on the upper side or even to this level, we can expect a move and price can go on the downside. So the reason for not marking this level is that it is not as significant right now. It was only a one candle and then price pushed on the downside. Although this is full of momentum, any pullback like that can push the price on the further downside. And CAD CHF has given us a great selling momentum right here. Price has gone into the ranging right now, forming a small channel right now, and there is a breakout. See that happened, and price is pushing on the downside. So what could be our next move into this is ambiguous currently, because you can see that we have a small order block right here. Let's check that in daily, because I believe that it could be a no. There isn't there isn't much, but based on like our 4-hour structure, we can just highlight this as a significant level. Any There could be any kind of like reaction we can actually see, because it's a FTR level that could give us a first time rejection level. So in that scenario, I would suggest you to wait for this, but the price action is quite like let me check what's the high of this. Yep. So this could be another formation that I would be looking at, but right now the thing is that price has broken that level and it is forming structure like that, so it can even continue on the downside further, based on the understanding that anything like that can happen, reaching to even these lows further. But we have to wait till tomorrow, because NFP would be giving us a better direction, guys, better indication. So it's similarly, we can see that price came back down, pushed back up. Price is now working right underneath these levels. So let's see that how price reacts on USD JPY. This is USD JPY, and although the structure is a small channel right here, you can see there's a breakout that happened. Price came back down, retesting these levels, and now price is again retesting these levels. So right here, it's something that is important to visually understand and look at. Now further moving, AUD JPY. Now JPY series has begun. There isn't much of the swing structures right now, but price is totally into a channel format right here. So there is a significant level right here and level right there. So in that regard, the swing is not that great as per expectation, because this swing right here is fine, but the price rejected around here. So this is like a position which we are looking at. So mm, anything, this wasn't like a significant structure right here, because it's quite unclear, and based on that, let's wait for the price to come back down there, although I have placed my alert right there, so it wouldn't be a problem. This was AUD, this is Euro JPY. For me personally speaking, I currently, this was like a break that happened exactly at this level, and price pushed back, price pulled back, and now price has started breaking these levels as well. So let's wait till the price forms like a double bottom around here, and we can see that again the price can push on the upper side, because this was a small channel right here, and we have seen a break that has happened around here. So there would be a there would be a significant weighting that is required right now. Although I personally believe that um, currently you can see that the price has formed this structure and now price is pushing back down. If price push back down, we can expect a move like that as well, or for the downside. But let's wait for this level first, and later on we can decide that what could be the next direction of the price. So pound JPY is similarly forming their type of structure. There was a break that happened, price push back exactly to the level to level thing, and now price is pushing up, and again price is coming back down. And guys, the idea is that if the price doesn't hold this level and give a small channel right here like that, so there could be a break on the downside as well around that level. So let's see. On NZD JPY, the price has shown us the reaction right here, and price has broken out is out of it this level. So we should like remove this level, and now we should be waiting for this level, and let's hope for the idea that price, if the price retested this level, so in that regard, there could be any kind of swing that forms like that can give us a sell structure further downside. So CAD JPY, we need to wait for, similarly wait for this. The price has almost about that made a double top right here, and if the price came back down there, so in that regard we can understand that what would be the next scenario for that. Guys, I would be wanting to change my alert towards the downside now, because price is significantly moving on the downside. Swiss JPY is giving a beautiful structure. These are the certain for FTRs level that I've marked, which are unmitigated right now, but later they can act. And you can see that how beautifully the price is rejecting around here, and price is even like broken these levels. Let me make it clear, price is broken out of this level, so this could be a good significant move towards the this level. So I would be it's a prominent level right now, guys, so let's mark this level as well. Guys, right now DXY is coming down, so hopefully it gave you the better understanding. And before I exit the stream, I want you to like give a glance to this, and this is a trade right now. I am inside, but you can see that this is a 4 hour time frame. So this was the first 4 hour, second 4 hour, third 4 hour, fourth 4 hour, and 5 4 hours. So these are the 5 4 hour candles that we are looking at. And if we see that price is still in a bullish format, because if we use the candlestick math for our move, so if the price is opening around here and price is right now there, so still the price is in a bullish move. And let's see how it can give us the position, because there could be a highly likelihood that price can retest that level and stop the trade out. Anyway, guys, this was a general discussion, and I hope it gave you the better understanding. I want you to take care, work safely tomorrow, because it would be it would be tempting, but on the other hand, we can capitalize on that as well. So take care, guys, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.